Whoa, whoa, whoa. Before you throw that away, remember adding that Eco Alliance badge right there? Yep, that's proof of your commitment to sustainable packaging and your customer's ticket to an online resource on packaging end of life. Let me break it down for you. No pun intended. If your customer receives packaging with an Eco Alliance badge, that badge probably has a QR code powered by Tapkit. It's a customized code that, when scanned, educates consumers on what to do with their packaging after use. It's pretty simple. Upon scanning, you'll see an overview of NOISSUE's 3 frameworks: compostable, recycled, and reusable. So not only are you using circular packaging and helping save the environment, you're also sharing knowledge so others can follow suit. So buckle up, tap on your chosen framework, and enjoy the packaging journey with others. It's time we connect the physical to the digital. Customize your QR with Tapkit, and let's make a difference in the world by being better together.